Keenan here with the Rivian Sunshade from BestEvMod. Let's see how this thing works. Now first I installed the optional UV reflector. If you don't install this, it's more like a mesh that lets a little bit of the sun through. The UV reflector is held on by magnets, which makes it nice. Now the clips are what hold it on to the Rivian. Now these are pretty sturdy clips. They snap in and they stay pretty good. Then I installed the sun shield in the Rivian R1T. Now I got the black cover, which matches my charcoal interior perfectly. They also have a gray one if you have a light interior. Okay, so I just installed the Rivian Sunshade. It's easier if you use the clips on the front and the back first and then do the sides. Now, I took it for a ride. It's pretty sunny out now. As you can see, it's nice and dark inside here. It's not letting any of the sun in. And I rode around with the windows open to test the clips. I've tried some of these covers on my Tesla, and once the wind starts blowing, they fall out. So this one's on there pretty snug. It's not coming off. I drove around with the windows open, so I like that. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.